It has been close to 2 years since Samsung launched the first Galaxy Ring. There were rumors that the company could unveil the second-generation model in 2025, but that did not happen. Now, the first set of details about the Galaxy Ring 2 have surfaced. A new report from ET News claims that Samsung is working on the Galaxy Ring 2, but it is not expected to launch in 2026. The company is reportedly considering a release sometime after early 2027, with a possible announcement during the second-half Galaxy Unpacked event in 2027. According to industry sources, the Samsung Galaxy Ring 2 is expected to receive improvements in 3 areas in particular. Firstly, the battery life. The Galaxy Ring is advertised with a battery life of 7 days, while the battery of the successor is expected to last 9 to 10 days. This gives the Galaxy Ring 2 some leeway to achieve a full week of battery life, even with heavy use or after a few years of use. Samsung is to fundamentally revise the electronics to enable a thinner and lighter body and thus increase wearing comfort. And thirdly, Samsung is said to improve the sensors. In addition to a heart rate and SpO2 sensor, the first-generation Galaxy Ring also offers skin temperature and motion sensors and can therefore track calories burned and sleep, among other things. The Galaxy Ring 2 is said to be able to measure skin temperature more precisely and record sleep more accurately. The report mentions enhanced functions with regard to cardiovascular health, but does not provide any information on additional sensors. Samsung is said to be working on a blood glucose sensor, but this will not yet be ready for the Galaxy Ring 2. Make sure to share this video as you can. It's free. Don't forget to activate the bell, otherwise you may not receive the video notification when I upload.